Ever wondered if Stryde knee brace is actually worth your money or just clever marketing? Let's break it down. Here's the truth. The Stryde knee brace is a real product. It's not vaporware. You'll actually get a knee sleeve if you order. But there's more to the story. The company, Stryde LLC, is registered, but based in the UAE. That means most braces ship from overseas, even if the website says ships locally. Translation? Expect long wait times and tough returns. Now, about the marketing. Ever see those limited time offer banners or Shark Tank approved? Those are classic red flags. The pressure's not real, but your money is. Customer reviews? Common complaints include sizing issues. The brace can run small or slide down your leg. And if you need to return it, you'll pay shipping, which might cost more than the brace itself. Bottom line? The Stryde knee brace isn't a scam, but the marketing is pushy, and the value is debatable. Shop smart, read reviews, and don't fall for fake urgency.